Alright guys, I finally changed these doggone headlights. I got tired of not being able to see. So this from Oracle Lightning. Let me see. Yeah, Oracle Lightning. I got the LED headlights, 4K, min, 6K max lumens. I'm gonna rip this. Oh well. But these right here, yeah, the 9012s come with a 2-year warranty on them. But I'm finna turn this car around and do this. Alright, so you got a trim level challenger like me. You know that, look, they got these old dated looking headlights. They be glowing like a yellowish color. But hopefully these right here give it, I think these the clear white, yep, pure white color. Hopefully it'll look way better and newer. Pop this hood and get started, man. Alright, for this part, you gotta take the doggone airbox out the way. Cause ain't no way you wear your hand gonna fit around there and twist it out. But yeah. Alright, so I got that one in. You can tell a big difference. There's pure white, and that's dingy, faded, and old looking. That look way better. Let me see if you can see it. Look at that. Look at that compared to that. Come on now. I'm finna be able to see. Yes, sir. And you know I'm gonna get a nighttime video for y'all once I get them both in and did.
Give me some too, goddamn shit.
Alright, shoot. This should be the easy side right here. Just go down in there. Shh, my hand. Just go around in there. Bruh. Take that cap off. You gonna go in there. Twist the bolt. Oh, it's hard. It's weird, bro. Like, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get this out, man. Alright. I had to get this man to get it out. Cause my doggone forearm's too big. Twist around in there. But once you get it out, you gonna get it up here. It's a little tab right here. You gonna pop it up. And the tab tough too, boy. It's somewhere in there. There you go, right there. Yeah, this how the little boys look. These the new ones right here. Hey, hold it. I don't want it to drop. No, that the bolt. Get around here. Clamp it down in place. Let's see if I can twist it back in there. Which way you had twisted this out?
All right, do it left.
Nah, I should be able to go it now. Let me see. Yeah, I think that's in there. Yeah. Then I'm gonna try to tuck all this in there. I did on the other side. I don't know if I can do it on the other one. Oh yeah, I dropped the cap in there too.
Yeah, no, who can get it?
Let me see, like.
Shit, nigga, where is it?
It's in there. Can my hand fit in there?
Oh,
yeah.
Shit, you get stuck. I ain't take it to the hospital.
Ah, that hurt. That hurt. But I got it. I should have made it work before I put the thing back on. But hey, I believe it worked. Let me see. Yes, sir. We in the game now, boy. On my mama. Now I gotta get a nighttime video for y'all. We good. You feel me? Yeah. Alright. So sun went down. Hey, that already looked 10 times better, man. But I'm finna get on the road here to the gym real quick. Y'all see how it is when I'm inside the car. That look way better. Oh yeah. I need to go find a dark road. Alright, so look. I don't know how good it is on camera, but this way better. I can see way more with this. No cap. I can see nothing on the road. For real, the old headlights, believe it. I can see it. One reason I really need this is my tent. Yes, sir. But hey, man, this the Oracle Lightning. I have it down, linked in the description below, so y'all can check it out if y'all want to use it for yourselves.